You Have a Wonderful Future Ahead by Jeff Bohlender. That man who died and rose in 3 days is an omniversal being through whom all creation now proceeds. The Creator, also known as the Placer, is now processing all creation through that death and resurrection, in this being whose name means will be was Savior. When the Placer immerses you into this man, you become a genuine offspring of the Creator, living and operating by means of His Spirit and life. No one will be left out. Until your time comes, please do your best to be kind, loving, and forgiving to all. You have a wonderful future ahead. The bad things are here for a good reason and purpose, which will be crystal clear to all in due time. Eventually, the bad will be put away for good. Yes, we all have daily miseries, and every misery is here on purpose for the eventual good of all. They are humbling, for one thing, and that is a very important character trait for the powerful beings we are destined to be. Love, peace, and indissoluble life to all, in the name of that man who died and rose for all, including every celestial, terrestrial, and subterranean in any verse, as in the whole universe. Thanks for watching. To learn more, go to studyshelf.vom.